Co-op games are really popular, and they have been only getting more popular over the past few years. However, most games are not co-op, but we can change this. In this Dom Labs tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a split-screen co-op for your game. Right here, you can see that I just have a sample scene with two different players set up. I can move each player separately, so I can move this blue character, and then I can also move this green character. Now, what I would like to do is make this main camera follow each character. So I'm going to drag it onto player 1, and then reset the transform to be 0, 0, negative 10. And then I'm going to copy and paste it, and drag this one under player 2. Then I'm going to zero out the transform again. And now, there are two cameras in the scene. But there are two audio listeners, and we can only have one in the scene, so I'm going to remove the audio listener component from the player 2 camera. Then, since each camera is taking up one full thing of the screen, they're going to overlap each other. So, on player 1, I'm going to change the viewport rect, which is where the camera is drawn on the screen. I'm going to change the width to 0.5, so it's only drawn on half the screen. On the player 2, I'm going to change the same thing, change the width to 0.5, and then we also need to slide it over, because right now they are just overlapping each other and you won't be able to see anything. So in the player 2, I'm going to change the X to 0.5 like 2. So now, I'm going to save it up, and I'm going to turn this canvas on that has a line down the middle that separates the two cameras. Now if I click play, there are two different characters that have two different cameras, and then you can see that they're just jumping in like this. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please give our channel a like and a subscribe because it really helps out a ton. Thank you.